Hi, welcome to the Game Changers. Today's video is going to be about how to find multi-bagger stocks. Right? The highest probability to find these multi-bagger stocks. Can the methodology fail? Yes. So you have to put a stop loss also. But there is a very high chance and probability of success. Right? My only request is please share this video with as many people as possible because it is a type of video which can change lives, and I'm telling you very seriously, change lives. ठीक है? So चलो, let's see how it can be done.
सो हैव अ लुक एट दिस. निफ्टी जब गिर रहा है, राइट, हियर हैव अ लुक एट निफ्टी फॉलिंग. राइट, निफ्टी इज फॉलिंग. तो व्हाट आई एम गोना डू इज आई एम गोना एग्जैक्टली शो यू कि व्हाट आई मीन. सी, निफ्टी इज करंटली फॉलिंग हियर, राइट. See the fall. यहाँ पे have a look at this stock which breaks ये जो all time high का level है, right? This point happens कहाँ पे? ये जो all time high का break है, this happens when Nifty is somewhere here. Can you see the difference here? So now that means what? कि मार्केट गिर रहा है बट ये कंपनी ब्रेकआउट कर रही है टू ऑल टाइम हाइज. दैट इज वाई द नेक्स्ट ट्रेड, मतलब क्या, यहाँ पे बाय नहीं करना है. यू हैव टू कीप दिस कंपनी इन योर वॉच लिस्ट फॉर सच दैट कि जब भी मार्केट में डिप्स आए you want to buy this company, and why? Look at the supernormal returns that you can get just on simple weekly Dow theory. Okay, these are supernormal returns. What one can do for trailing the stop losses is something like this. You can trail them and you can exit the trade here, but this is phenomenal returns. If you want to see exactly, it is quite a lot. Right? So I'm just having a little bit of trouble here, but yeah, I'll show it to you now. ये जब ब्रेकआउट पॉइंट है यहाँ से यहाँ तक इज नियरली 187%. आप बोलोगे 187, बट लुक एट द टाइम पीरियड, जुलाई 22 टू अक्टूबर 24, राइट. सो दैट इज नॉट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. इन लेस अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम दिस स्टॉक हैज गॉन अप 188%. Now, this was this stock, and this was the last bear market. हम देखेंगे some stock which we all know was Bajaj Finance. Right? I'm going to clear the drawings here. Nifty में also I'm going to clear the drawings. What we're going to have a look at is ये 2016 के फॉल में have a look at this stock. Now I'm going to zoom in a little bit. So when Nifty, have a look at this, Nifty falls, right? After such a big fall, what this stock does is that it breaks all time high at this point. जब निफ्टी सिर्फ यहाँ पे है, can you see the difference? You don't need to buy it there, but this has to come in your watch list कि जब भी मार्केट गिरेगा, whenever market falls, you want to try and buy this stock. Whenever market falls, you want to buy this stock. तो ये ऐसे लगता है कि ये महंगा होते जा रहा है, while market is coming down, right? But does it not mean that something is happening in this company and this company all time high के ऊपर all time high बना रहा है while the market is falling? That means there is some change. इसका मतलब नॉर्मली क्या होता है, that the company just shoots up. I'll show it to you what happens later. ये पुल बैक तो आते हैं, the market also gives a pull back, but the weekly Dow theory changes somewhere here. Now it's very difficult to stay in this trade from 3,800, actually from 700 to 3,800. ये सोच के भी डर लगता है कि इतना ये स्टॉक ऊपर गया, but this is the pattern that one should focus on, and it is very 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 important. All time highs in a bear market are crucial, and not necessarily in a bear market, but before market, before it makes all time high. मतलब क्या, market has to break 9,100, right, this level approximately. ये कहाँ पे टूटता है, वो is this time 17. इसके पहले there will be stocks which will be breaking all time highs. Those stocks are the ones to focus on. Now I'm going to show you an example in the 2008 bear market. This is Nifty, right? On this side, I'm going to put a stock like Sun Pharma. So now we'll go to the bear market of 2007, sorry, which was really sharp. So have a look at this stock while this is falling. This stock is breaking all time high here, right? उसके बाद ये भी गिरता है, no doubt about it, but again it breaks all time high when the market is just close to this high. Market का all time high is somewhere here. So this stock, you don't need to buy it at the breakout, but ये stock has to come in your watch list. After that breakout, you look to buy these dips. कि जब भी मार्केट गिरता है, look to buy this stock, look to invest into this stock. You know what happens after that? Do you really want to see what happens after that? After the big breakout and the dip, which is at 160, this stock based on weekly Dow theory goes all the way. यहाँ पे वीकली डाउ थ्योरी चेंज होती है? नहीं चेंज होती. So this is where weekly Dow theory changes, which is all the way to 800. And this is very difficult to ride. But what I'm saying is, just have this stock in your watch list. It will help a lot. कि मतलब अगर बेयर मार्केट में एक स्टॉक ऑल टाइम हाई कर रहा है, दैट मीन्स दिस स्टॉक हैज पोटेंशियल टू बिकम अ मल्टी बैगर. So we have discussed 2 to 3 examples of different bear markets and the stocks making all-time highs. क्या हर बार ये चलते हैं? नहीं. So you have to always trade with a stop loss. But these companies should always be a part of your watch list for the next cycle. Why? You'll ask me why? कि expensive हो गया है ना, तो why should be in your watch list? Because for some reason these stocks are moving up while the overall market is not making all time high. That is the key. कुछ तो हो रहा है जो अपने को पता नहीं है. So what we do is just follow price action. चलो, bye. See you on Monday.